Hi boys and girls, welcome back to the Giggle Room. Today we're going to do the Lego Creator, and it is a building toy that makes a seaplane, but it actually makes a seaplane, a barge, and a sailboat. So it's a 3-in-1 and it's for ages 6 to 12 and it's actually a lot of fun to do. So let's get started and see what we have here. So we're going to need our scissors. Yeah. And we'll open up the instructions and we'll show you all the different pictures that it shows. So this right here shows you the seaplane, the barge, and the sailboat. And it shows you step-by-step instructions on the inside how to get started. So we're gonna get started and we'll come back and show you how we made out. Alrighty, so what we've done is gone ahead and gone from step 1 to step 13, well actually 12, well 11 I guess, and this is what we've gotten so far. You can see that we have pretty much almost the whole plane, but there's still a few steps left. So let's start making the last pieces that we need, like this. So we're gonna put 2 of these little pieces on the very ends of the wings, like this. And we take another black one, and we're gonna do it same thing on the other side. And then what we do is we are going to take an orange light and put it on each wing because they need to be able to be seen when they're flying so other planes can see them. And we can also put our propeller on as well. So this is really starting to look like a plane. Now we have to make its sea legs. So we'll be right back. Now, we have the bottom of the seaplane, which is the propellers, or not the propellers, I'm sorry, that is the thing that it lands on. So it's basically its paddlers, its feet. So that's gonna go on the bottom of the plane like this, so that it can actually land on the water. But we're gonna show you how to do the rest of this, so that you guys will have an idea. So we're gonna take these little guys here that look like hands, and we're gonna put them on just like this. Snap, and that's going to hold the bottom of the plane to its landing gear. So now we're going to take these orange pieces just like this, and we are going to put them on top. Actually, let's put these ones on first. Let's take a look and see how it tells us here. So we put this part on first, like this, and push it down really hard until it snaps, and then we're going to do the exact same thing to the opposite side. So whatever you do to one side, you're going to want to do to the other, because it has to be symmetrical. So we snap that on so it looks like this now. And then what we do is we are going to put this like this. And you can see that it's staggered so that it fits perfectly and it's seamless. So we do the same thing to this part and just try to see where it fits and easily, don't force it, but snap it into place. So now we have its landing gear. So that was really easy and it looks very neat. So now all we have to do is connect our wonderful plane. Look how neat that is. We did such a great job. It's got its landing lights and all its gear and its propeller that works. Now look what we have. We have an official seaplane. How neat is that? And it was pretty easy to put together. Didn't take a lot of work. And we can actually put another light here if you wanted to, and a red one here just to make it look better. I mean, you can't put enough stuff on a seaplane, it has to be able to be seen. And I also added these pieces. They're for the other ones, but that's okay. So look how we did. It looks identical to the seaplane that is on the box. So we did perfect job. Thank you, boys and girls, for helping me. So we have the landing skis, and we have the wings and the tail fin, and we've got the cockpit and the propeller, and this is the engine in here, and this is where the water goes in so that the seaplane doesn't sink. So that's pretty neat if you take a look at that. What a great job you did. Thank you so much for helping us, boys and girls. And remember, if you follow the instructions, your plane will turn out just like ours. So I hope you had as much fun as I did making this, and you'll have to join us again because this is a 3-in-1. So we're going to make a barge and a sailboat too with all the same pieces. That's what's so great about this, is that you can make 3 things with only 1 set of Legos. So it's awesome. So please come back and join us because we're going to have 2 more ones. We'll have the barge and the sailboat. So come back to the Giggle Room for more fun. See you, boys and girls.